cases, it shows the abstract classes cannot be created directly. The abstract methods may be completed by subclasses. It also covers polymorphism, where different objects can be used through the same interface, making programs more flexible. So now for the clowns, um, class clowns extends in Picasso's method, so it returns 7. The act also extends Picasso but overrides the I method, with the class act extends Picasso, and then here it overrides the method to return 5 instead of 7, with the public int I method return 5. So now handing it over to Cabello.
Yeah, so that was clowns, extends Picasso, which I'm gonna go over now. Then overrides the I method inherited from Picasso. This version always returns 5. Public integer I method return 5. Okay, that's what we went over. So in my case, my one actually works differently. Because what happens is nose and Picasso correlate in the sense that they work off each other. And yeah, so nose is pretty much like the vessel, and then Picasso pretty much provides the return 7 and the method as well. So nose is an interface that defines a contract. Any class that implements nose must provide a version of the I method. Interface knows abstract method declaration. Classes implementing this interface and then must provide the method body. Then Picasso is an abstract class, and then objects cannot be created directly from an abstract class. So yeah, that's nose. So what happens is nose is you got interface nose, and then encased in it is public integer I method, you know, and then you got empty brackets, and then Picasso that Java. So Picasso is an abstract class. Objects cannot be created directly from an abstract class. And then Picasso implements the nose interface. So it must provide the I method or remain abstract. You know, the implementation of the I method declared, and then in the nose interface, this version always returns 7. And then abstract class Picasso implements nose. So as you can see here, we got abstract class Picasso, and then that pretty much implements like nose. So nose, the method nose gets implemented into Picasso, and then the implementation of the I method declared the nose interface. Right, this version always returns 7. So what Picasso does is adds a value to what we're dealing with, and the value is return 7. So the public integer I method is nose, and then here return 7 is Picasso dot Java. So that's how the two correlate. And then on to of 76 Letabo.
Okay, so within our public class for of 76, we will extend to clouds. And within there, we're gonna create an array that can store objects implementing the nose interface. So nose square brackets I equals to new nose 3. Then we will store different objects within the array. So for our act, our counts object, and our of 76 object, which will be inherited from counts. Then we have a
Yeah.
loop through each object within the array. So for x int x equals to 0. So if x is less than 3, then x will increment, then we'll call the I method of each method, so polymorphism, then display the object's runtime class using the system out print line. Then when we run that,
Yeah.
as you can see, we have 5 class, 7 class, 7 class. And yeah, that's it for chapter